Hi, hello, this is Rajesh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about are foreign degrees accepted in India? There are so many universities that often say various kinds of programs. Are they accepted in India? Let's have a look. The number of international students from India has increased with figures crossing more than 7 lakh threshold for the first time in 2018. Students after completing higher secondary want to move to abroad for higher education, wherein reasons due to which Indians choose to study abroad vary. One student might choose to study abroad because of the high quality of education at a particular foreign university, whereas another might choose to study at a foreign university because it is relatively easy getting admission as compared to one Indian university. Studying abroad also provides a great opportunity to develop and strengthen interpersonal and intercultural skills and sets students apart in the job market. Indian companies are eager to hire international graduates who are flexible and multilingual and already have some work with study experience. An international degree can give a boost to the career of students in many aspects by making them eligible for the Indian as well as the international job market. A resume with foreign degree mentioned in it is considered on the top while considering job applications in India. The reason behind it is that such students have experienced multicultural ambience so they can adjust in any situation. A foreign degree from a good university makes a CV stand out, but the degree will be a differentiator only if the brand name of the international university is strong, familiar, and well respected in the Indian industry. 31% of Indian companies hire only from the top 10 institutes in the world. So, while two students may have the same degree, depending on where they earned those degrees, Indian companies may judge them differently while making a job offer. Fortunately, in terms of growth and opportunities, the Indian economy looks much better than its Western counterparts and there is demand for better. It is not to be mistaken that the Indian degree is not of value, but with the growth of the global market and globalization taking over the Indian market, the foreign degree holders have an upper hand in India. UGC University Grants Commission has received several complaints from Indian students pursuing studies abroad regarding misleading claims being made by foreign universities or institutions in respect of the courses offered by them and validity of their degrees. In order to avoid misguidance of Indian students by foreign universities or institutions, UGC has decided to issue an advisory to students as under all Indian students wishing to pursue studies abroad may contact the Association of Indian Universities or AIU and their contact details are here or visit their website. And regarding the accreditation status of foreign universities and the valuation and equivalence of degrees and diplomas awarded by the accredited universities abroad. The Government of India intends to recognize one-year postgraduate degrees from foreign universities as valid for employment opportunities in India. The move, if implemented, will allow Indian students with a one-year master's degree from abroad eligible to apply for government jobs and also pursue higher education. Postgraduate degree programs in India are of 2 years duration. The reason why one-year master's degree from foreign universities were not recognized as valid till now. The AIU has made a provision for Indian students with degrees other than one-year masters from foreign universities to apply online for equivalence of their foreign degree or certificate. All a student has to do is log on to this website and click on this website. The AIU is also in the process of building a consortium of international educators to guide Indian universities to attain international standards. The consortium will be responsible for executing student exchange programs and semester exchange, offering joint degrees and getting foreign faculties. So I hope you like my video. Please keep watching my videos and thank you for watching and please wait for my next video. Thank you. Bye.